Hi, welcome to the program. Today I'm gonna make a nice chili cornbread, which is I'm gonna cook bread cooked in this heavy duty iron. The look is lovely and amazing, and okay, let's cook. Very easy and simple. 500 gram of bread flour, 400 gram of semolina, medium or coarse. We can even use the cornmeal, what's convenient you have when you go to the shop and buy. You need a little bit of salt, two soda powder, and 2 baking powder, 2 spoons, and 2 of hanout. Is a North African spice. You can buy it nowadays in the supermarket. 2. And 50 gram of caster sugar, 100 ml of vegetable oil, and 100 ml of full fat milk. You need warm water. Ras al hanout, there is a combination of spices, and there is a little bit chili powder in it, so which just gives the extra flavor for your bread. And we're gonna give it, and I will explain to you the recipe how you're gonna use. Make sure when you use the pan, it has to be this iron, strong pan for the oven. Use vegetable oil, don't use olive oil. And the mix, it doesn't take that long. The recipe you need: 500 gram of bread flour, 400 gram of medium or coarse semolina or cornmeal, what you can find, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of soda, 2 teaspoons of ras al hanout spice, warm water, 100 ml of oil, 100 ml of milk. Okay, and you need 4 chilies sliced and about 50 gram of grated strong cheddar cheese. You don't use this now until later, like 5 minutes before the bread come out of the oven. You put this. If you put this from the beginning, the bread will collapse. Okay, I put too much here, let me reduce. And the pan is so heavy. You put this in. I use the warm water as the reason why. Being a baker for many years, sometimes you cut corners rather than just wait. You wait for the bread to proof, just it's already coming. Okay, let's go to the oven. There is cooking time 340 between 30 and 45, or gas mark for 40 minutes, depending on your oven. Here it is. I said 5 minutes before the baking. Put your 4 slices of long chilies red and a handful of cheddar cheese, strong cheddar cheese. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely delicious. It goes nice with cheese. You can dip it in the olive oil, cold meat, even you can have it in his own. You have it as a masterpiece in a large table, friend or family can